Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Telegram on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. In order to log into your Telegram, first, you'll need to download your Telegram application, of course. If you don't have it yet, go and tap open your Play Store and search for Telegram into the search box. Once you perform your search, tap on the install button right next to the Telegram app to download it on your Android device. I've already downloaded my Telegram. Once you have it, tap it open and you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. Telegram is known as the fastest messaging application, which is known to deliver messages fast, secure, and flexible since it lets you access your messages from multiple devices. From this page, tap the Start Messaging button beneath. In order to log into your Telegram account, you'll need your mobile number. Type in your country code into the first text box and then type in your mobile number right beside it. Once you type it in, tap the arrow button located at the lower right-hand corner and you'll need to enter an activation code that has been texted on your mobile number. Simply type in the number into the text box and you'll be logged in to your Telegram account right away. Start off by creating your first chat and get connected to your friends. That is how you can easily log into Telegram using your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.